Okay, this is the side fairing for a Honda Hornet CV600, covering the engine, battery really. As you can see, sun faded. I've seen videos where they've used heat guns, flame and sandpaper with 400 grit, 500 grit, 600 grit. What I've done is, you can see there's one done already and one to be done. I've used a small drill with an Autoglym headlight restoration kit. If it works on plastic headlights, it should work on black plastic. And if you run out of the Autoglym, because it is a small bottle, my second one is going to be the headlight restoration kit, or the cream for the headlight protectant, Maguire's. And I've got pads, foam pad, 2000, 3000 brush, and various sandpapers from 800 grit to 3000 grit here. 1500 grit, and all you got to do is spend 10 minutes going down. I've missed a bit here from what it was before, but it looks alright. I'm using Clean Shine Total Clean to wet down the sponge and make it nice and whatever. And I'll get back to you on the second part of the video and see what this one does. Because all you do is put the cream on, put a dollop of cream on, spin it up with the sponge, and go for it. So I'll get back to you and see what this one does.